By significantly reducing the time required on-site for balcony installations, the remote locker minimizes the environmental footprint of construction projects. Once affixed to a sapphire balcony, this ingenious device empowers installers to secure the arms to the stubs remotely. Fewer days on site mean less energy consumption and reduced travel emissions, aligning with our commitment to a greener and more sustainable future. This advanced feature eliminates the need for traditional harnesses, significantly reducing risk and enhancing the safety of construction sites. The remote locker is more than just a piece of equipment. It's a battery-operated on-site charge guardian of safety. It represents a leap forward in our commitment to innovate for the betterment of our community and the construction industry. A revolutionary step in balcony installation, redefining safety and efficiency in modern construction. The cornerstone of our journey at Sapphire is innovation to prosper the community, a path marked by relentless innovations and an unwavering commitment to safety. Our remote locker device is revolutionizing the installation of balconies. It's not just a tool, it's a paradigm shift in construction safety and efficiency. Capable of installing a balcony with unparalleled safety and efficiency, the remote locker is a game changer in the industry. Join us in this journey of innovation to prosper the community as we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible in the construction industry.